Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy Life Home. If you've ever struggled with eating healthy, you're not alone. But today, I'm giving you 10 nutrition hacks that are so simple, you'll wonder why no one told you sooner. And don't worry, no kale smoothies that taste like lawn clippings. Let's go. Hack number 1. Start your day with water. Before you grab coffee, drink a big glass of water. It wakes up your digestion, boosts energy, and helps you eat less later. Think of it as rebooting your system, like turning your body's Wi-Fi back on. Hack number 2. The half-plate rule. Fill half your plate with fruits or veggies. It automatically cuts calories and ups your nutrients. Plus, your plate will look Instagram-worthy. Win-win. Hack number 3. Smart snacking. Instead of chips, keep nuts, fruit, or Greek yogurt handy. Basically, trick yourself into eating healthy by making junk food harder to reach. Hide the cookies on the top shelf where only NBA players can grab them. Hack number 4. The protein power. Move. Add protein to every meal. Eggs, beans, chicken, tofu. Protein keeps you full longer, so you're not hunting the fridge like a midnight raccoon. Hack number 5. Eat slowly. Put your fork down between bites. Eating slower gives your brain time to realize you're full. Bonus, you'll look super fancy, like you're dining at a 5-star restaurant. Hack number 6. Meal prep equals life hack. Spend one day prepping meals or snacks. Future you will thank present you when you're starving and the healthy food is already waiting. It's like leaving yourself love notes made of Tupperware. Hack number 7. The grocery list trick. Shop with a list and stick to it. If it's not on the list, it's not in the cart. Unless it's ice cream, because, well, balance. Hack number 8. Upgrade your drinks. Swap soda for sparkling water, add fruit slices, or try unsweetened tea. Little swaps add up, and you'll save hundreds of empty calories without even noticing. Except you will notice when your jeans fit better. Hack number 9. Spice it up. Use herbs and spices instead of drowning food in salt or sugar. It makes meals more flavorful and healthier. Plus, saying, "I cooked with turmeric," makes you sound like a master chef. Hack number 10. The 80-20 rule. Eat healthy 80% of the time and enjoy treats 20% of the time. Because life's too short to say no to pizza forever. Unless you're allergic to cheese. In which case, I'm sorry for your loss. And there you have it. 10 simple nutrition hacks that can change the way you eat forever. Which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below and remember to hit like and subscribe for more easy tips from Healthy Life Home. Your body will thank you. And so will your taste buds.